Selling a digital product online is not as hard as you might think. And honestly, like I said, anybody can do this. You don't need a degree in coding. You don't need really any education at all. This is something that anybody with a laptop and an internet connection can do from anywhere in the world, which is pretty exciting. There's actually never been a better time to start a digital product business than now. It's just so many tools available to help you get started and so many customers online who are looking to make their lives easier by buying one of your products. And to be clear, this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you want that, go buy a lottery ticket or some crypto meme coin. This is going to be a business that if you put the effort in, if you listen to everything I talk about in this video and you really dedicate yourself to this, I mean, really like maybe 10 hours a week, maybe 1 hour a week, maybe 40 hours a week, depending on how much time you have. But if you actually do that, you set goals and you do that for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you can be wildly successful. So starting off on ground level, chapter 1, what are the main benefits of selling a digital product compared to a physical product? And keep in mind, the digital product could be anything that's downloadable. It means you're not shipping anything. So there's benefit number 1. You don't need to have any inventory. The fulfillment is automatic. So if somebody makes an order and you're asleep, they instantly get their song, their PDF, whatever it is that they're actually buying, they get it immediately, which makes it a lot easier for you as a seller. Number 4, and this is a huge one, there are significantly better margins. If you make the product and you sell it to one person versus 1,000 people, it has absolutely no extra cost to you for all those extra people. It's only going to be the extra website visits maybe, but a lot of websites aren't even going to charge you for that extra. So that is something that is incredibly beneficial compared to physical products where every single product has a cost. It has a shipping cost. It has a labor cost. Digital products just don't have that, which brings me to benefit number 5, which is this is way easier to scale. If you imagine you're selling something that is like a little trinket people buy and that goes viral, you're gonna have a hard time keeping up with that demand, and ultimately you're going to miss out on some revenue. And then finally, benefit number 6 is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. Like I said, as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, you could be hanging out in a hammock in Thailand, you could be in New York City,